So I don't know if you guys remember from our last video, but this was a black Mach-E, came in last week. We went through a whole design process with our buddies at the DEA. This is a fentanyl prevention vehicle, kind of a one-off for them. Really, really nice, came out beautiful. All this white that you see is a wrap, and so this isn't just decals. And what we did around the back, if you want to come here and take a look, we even did some of the really pretty stars. And let me tell you, to make the stars line up all the way across the top onto the back, that was a little bit of a mission, something that took a little bit of ingenuity, but we got it done. And to top it off, we hit this thing with a brand new fresh coat of 3M ceramic coating. And so this thing will stay nice and clean and hit the streets hard. If you see it, post it.